Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Bandai Hobby Pikachu model set. I got this item recently to prepare for my son's Pikachu and Pokemon birthday party. So let's get this all opened up and let's put it together. This package has several pieces in it and it does require building to be able to put this model kit together, but it also has detailed instructions that help us conveniently put this model together. I love that there is no glue required. All the parts can easily be put together without any adhesives. And I also love that it is built with the one and only technology that allows for multiple colors to be available in one set, meaning that my model isn't just one color. I can see the different features of Pikachu highlighted in this model through the different colors. I actually got this set to be able to use as a decoration to put on a birthday cake for a Pokemon party, but this is also a great option as a gift for special occasions or for fun building hobbies. If you are in the market for a fun Pikachu model kit for Pokemon enthusiasts in your life, this is definitely worth looking into.